Hello and welcome to the Linux channel. Now we are going to see how to add subscribe button to the YouTube channel so that people can click on that button and get the subscribe icon and easily able to subscribe to the YouTube channel. As we can see it here, we have one YouTube channel where you can see there is no subscribe button. So if we click on here, the video plays, but there is no subscribe button. So now to add the subscribe button, we have to go to the channel settings. So click here to your channel. We will click on here and see the channel has been opened. So now click on customize channel. Now from the channel customization, as you can see it here, we have to click on branding. So and then there is a last option called video watermark, which it says that watermark will appear on your videos in the right hand corner of the video player. So this video watermark will be used for adding the subscribe button. So as shown in this video watermark, we can see that it requires an image of 150 into 150 pixels to be used. So for that, creating 150 into 150 pixels image, we are going to use Canva for creating this 150 into 150 pixel image. So as we can see it here, we already have created the subscribe button and an image with a size. As we can see it here, it is a 150 into 150 pixel. So we will just go ahead and download this image now. So we have started the downloading here. So now the download is completed. So we will come back to the channel customization page in branding, and then from here in the video watermark we will upload this image which we created for YouTube subscribe button. We will add it. As we can see it here, the image was already 150 into 150 pixel, so we do not need to do any cropping. So we will just click done. And here, as you can see, there are three options now. Display time, which shows customize when the watermark is displayed on your videos. So we will have to select one based upon our requirement or the way we want the subscribe button to be visible to the user. So ideally we just want to keep it button to be for the entire video duration so that people can just click and subscribe. So we will click on this entire video and then click on publish here. So now the button has been saved, the video watermark or the button is has been saved. So now we will come back to our video. So as you can see it here, now this subscribe button is not there right now. So we will refresh this page and see what happens. So we just refresh the button, refresh the page, and now we will start playing. Now as you can see here, the subscribe button has been appeared. So here we can see that now it is, we are not able to click it here because we are already the admin of this one and we are already, we can see kind of subscribed. So now we'll try to log out and see how does this works. So we will go ahead and sign out from here. Now we are back on our video. So now let's try to play it from here. And now you can see here the subscribe button has appeared, and once I will be able to click on here, then it will ask for the login. Let's see how it is asked. This is how the subscribe button can be easily added to the YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe our channel.